I'm pretty much known in the neighborhood as the dog whisperer. A lot of people come in here or hear about the store and would come in here and they would calm down for the most part.
Yep, that's how we start all our grooming visits. We start off with a, kind of like a meet and greet and just kind of get them relaxed, give them a little massage to get them comfortable, because it is kind of a tough thing for a dog to, be groomed. So we just try to take all of that away so we can have a relaxing visit for the both of us, actually. But the reason why we started it was during the pandemic, it was really, really hard for us to get supplies for our animals. But just we were like, well, if we had something local, then we'd be able to, shop for ourselves and also the community. We offer like delivery and just things locally to people. It's very down home in here.
We just wanted to have a different feel and vibe in this store.